Basically, most people think maintenance is all about just cleaning of the equipment. It also involves functional checks and servicing of that equipment. And only an expert on the field can help with these functional checks. And as long as these functional checks are being done, it helps to save time, money, and also increase the efficiency of that equipment. And here at Technology Global Services, which is the one-stop shop for operating equipment, we can help you with these functional checks and services depending on the package you want. Feel free to call us if you have any questions. On our next video, we will be showing you what you need to watch out for on your equipment to know if it's due for maintenance. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching.